What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, I wanted to talk to you about Active Trader Pro and Fidelity. This is something that I use all the time for my trading. It doesn't make sense to trade without a live platform. If you're trading without a live platform, then you are only long-term, and I mean extremely long-term, because you can't really time it if it's not moving at real time, at real speed. So I wanted to take you into the Active Trader Pro platform and just show you, what I look at when it comes to certain stocks. I'll take you into like Facebook or something and show you exactly what I look at and when I plan on investing and what I plan on doing. Now, you don't need to copy my strategy. I say this all the time. Do not copy my strategy. You can implement some of my strategy into your strategy, but you do not have to copy my strategy and take my tips and tricks 100% of the time and use all of it together because you don't think the same way I do. So that's just a simple disclaimer there. Do not take my advice as 100% the truth. You need to develop your own strategy. But I wanted to take you into this platform because I love this platform. But before I start and before we get into it, make sure you hit the like button on this video. Also, hit the subscribe button. That helps me out a lot. And I do a giveaway every single week. If you want to know about that giveaway, stick around to the end and you'll hear all about it. Also, follow me on my social medias. They'll be on the screen. They'll also have the links in the description. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so what I wanted to do here was just show you exactly what I look for in a stock. Now, this is Active Trader Pro. If you don't know what Active Trader Pro is, I'm sure I'll go through how to download Active Trader Pro. It's very simple, but this is what I like using. And a lot of people just get stuck on using like the stock research, and that's not what you want to do. Now, right now we're in the pre-market, so nothing's really moving as much, but you do see some movement here, and this is what I like to see. Since it is slow movement, I'll be able to show you exactly what I look for and some things that I tend to look at that other people don't. So when I go into here, let's just look at Facebook. Now, I don't have all my money, obviously, in the markets. I do have my money in long-term investments when it comes to 401ks and stuff like that. But when it comes to just single stocks, obviously, I like to, day trade. I like to move in and out of the market, in and out of a position as fast as possible. And hopefully I can do that today. And if I do it today, because I don't know how much time I have, but if I do that today, then I'll make sure I record that as well. So this is what I'm looking for. When I look at Facebook, I see all of these averages here. You have a simple moving average, a 20 simple moving average, a 50 simple moving average. You have a VMA. So you have so many averages that you want to look at. And the reason why you want to look at these averages here is because what you're going to notice with the way this is trending, obviously the averages are moving with the trend, but it always comes back to earth in some way. And when I say back to earth, it always comes back to that moving average. And that's what I like to look at. So when I see all of these things going up here and I see it pulling away, I know it's going to come back to at least one of those simple moving averages. And if that's $1, then I'll be able to gain that dollar times 100 and then gain $100 and then go on about my day and I don't have to trade anymore. So that's what I'm looking for here, and you see exactly what's happening up here. It's pulling away from the simple moving average, and you know that you see all of these like red areas, these down minutes. This is a 1 minute chart, so you see these down minutes where it's coming back to the moving average, and that's what I like to see. That's what I look for. Now, what people tend to do when they put these averages in, they think they're going to come all the way back to the moving average. Yes, they may do that, but I don't ever look for something like that. I'm always looking for a huge gap. So if I see this large gap here, I know I'm looking to sell somewhere in between here, the price that it actually is, and the moving average. So I'm looking to sell in between those two. I'm not really looking to get to that point. I don't care. I just want to get to a point to where I'm gaining $1 or gaining my target and then move on from there. Now, some people just get greedy, and that's what you find. And it's horrible because they end up losing money or they lose out on opportunity. So That's really what I wanted to show you here, just exactly what I look at when it comes to a chart, break it down and something that's simple. I don't know why people make it so complicated to where they're looking at all of these different areas and then they're also telling you exactly when you need to get out. You don't think like anybody else. So don't take anybody else's strategy, only use your strategy. And this is why I have so much success, because I'm using my strategy. And if I have a down day, if it goes a different way. So like say one of these days I'm right here and I'm like, all right, it's coming back to earth. It's going to come back to earth. It's going to come back to earth, and it doesn't. So if it moves in the opposite direction, then I'm going to get out if it moves in the opposite direction to a certain extent. So you always need to have that stop loss, that profit to loss ratio, and just have your strategy, because it's going to come back to earth. But if it doesn't, then get out and call it a day. So that's what I wanted to go over. And if I do find a position here, if I'm able to invest in this position, I'll make sure I record that as well. So yeah, that's basically it. Going through Active Trader Pro, that was it. Showing you how the charts can be. I couldn't trade actually that day, and I was upset. There was a time period to where I seen exactly what was going to happen, and I did not do anything about it because I was working at the time. So it's really tough to be able to work and invest at the same time. But if you do have 100% dedication and you can devote some time to investing, then it's just going to help you out a lot. But I couldn't invest, and I was so upset. I was only going to buy one share just to show you what could be a profitable target. But I just wanted to show you exactly how you can profit from these situations and gain $1 times 100 or so, and then gain $100 a day, or however much you want a day. But that was my whole breakdown. If you want more breakdowns like this, obviously let me know, and then we could start really diving deep into investing, because I really like to talk about credit cards, investing, budgeting, personal finance, all of those things, and I want to evenly split out things so that so many people that subscribe to my channel for credit card information stay here for that as well. And then also the people that come here for investing advice, they're here as well. So I would like to split that out as best as possible. But that was my video, guys. Let me know if you liked it. If you did, hit the like button. Also comment down below and let me know what you think. And I do a giveaway every single week. I give away 2 Amazon gift cards at the end of the week. And all you have to do in order to enter that giveaway is just comment on this video, like this video, and also be subscribed to my YouTube channels. Both of them. This one, the Matthew Perry channel, and also the podcast channel, the Perry Experience channel. But that's my video, guys. Thank you so much. And I'm going to have to get out of here. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.